Sorkar Jylla hak lai potrik Jyllio arjar pulai kalau pelat pajak khan rutli ki kali kit nong jengok kai perthai lani ki prime tourist vehicles ringkat ke jing thmu ban pensok ya rukom penpoi nong jengok kai syaki jaka sang pengat beper hak Jylla yakini ki kali la pelat pajak syaki noi lam jengok kai lani ki tourist operator dau menteri rangba ke Jylla ukon rat ke sang ma haringkat ke jing don lang menteri ketanat kam jengok kai ubak pol lingdo Menteri rangba ulang bag Sorkar ketemu ban ai san potli ki kali bat haki san snam ban wan kin don arspa san potli ulang ba ka subsidy ka balong san po persen ya ka bala bay da ka Meghalaya rural bank.
This is going to be a very dynamic process. Now we gave about 16 vehicles today. We have planned to give 50 in this particular financial year, and God willing, if all goes well, we are able to create the finance that we require. We hope that we'll be able to touch at least about 250 to 300 vehicles in this 5 years term, and hopefully be able to touch even 500 vehicles in the long run. So that's the kind of target that we have. And while we do that, our objective also is to tweak the kind of vehicles we have. We realize it's not just the Innovas that you need. We can give Scorpios, which is going to be slightly more tougher and be able to go off-road. We are looking at mini buses, which we could give, because there are larger groups that come. So maybe buses also will be important. We are thinking very, very, very seriously to introduce electric vehicles. And this will be not just for tourism sector, but even for transportation to Guwahati and to Tura, Shillong sector, where we plan to have EV charging stations in Nongpo, one in the middle of somewhere near Ryangdo, Chalang side, and of course in Sora area where the tourism footfall is very high. So we are really working on EV vehicles also, and hopefully within the next couple of months we should be distributing electric vehicles also.